Good evening, children. Welcome to the online class, English subject, second language for 10th standard. This is a revision session we are doing for the children who are going to write the board exam next month. So far, we have revised 4 lessons. This is 5th lesson. That is, in the text, it is a second unit. That is, lesson is There's a Girl by the Tracks, and the poem is Quality of Mercy. What is quality? Quality is a kindness. It's a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. So that is a quality of mercy means what? It's a kindness or character. That is a forgiving character. Forgiving character of others' mistakes and loving. That's all. Now next, order the poet. Who wrote this poem? William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. He was born on 26 April 1564 in Stratford upon Avon. He wrote about 38 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 long, attractive poems. So this is about William Shakespeare. See, I have given the picture also. Now, about the quality of mercy. From where it is taken. The quality of mercy is a monologue. Monologue means what? Only one person talking by Portia. Who is talking? Portia in William Shakespeare, where she is speaking William Shakespeare drama. That is Merchant of Venice. The play name is Merchant of Venice. It occurs during Act 4, Scene 1, set in a Venetian court of justice. So this play, this drama scene, then it's take place in a Venetian court of a justice. It is the speech in which Portia begs the Shylock. Portia, then she is begging Shylock for mercy. The speech is regarded as one of the great speeches in Shakespeare, and it is an example of the esteem Shakespeare held for those who showed mercy. So, children, this is the very revered poem, very beautiful poem. Now, coming to the poem. The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. See, I have shown you what is mercy. And see how the rain, gentle rain is dropping is raindrops. Can you see? And the next one. Upon the place beneath, where it is dropping raindrops, upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. So what? Blessing is a blessing where we get from heaven. So it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. Next one. It is mightiest and the mightiest it becomes. The throned monarch better than his crown. See the crown picture I have shown. Throne also I have shown you. It is mightiest and the mightiest it becomes. And the throne monarch better than his crown. And his scepter shows the force of temporal power. Scepter means that he is holding the king is holding what? That is decorated rod. The king is holding decorated rod. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. The attribute to awe and majesty. It is an attribute to awe and majesty. So the next, so can you see? It is an attribute to awe and say then you will make out that person is a king. The next one is wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. So what happened? The people are afraid before the king. Wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. So the people are afraid of the king. On seeing his what? But mercy is above this sceptered sway. But mercy is above this sceptered sway. So what? Who is greatest? God. So they are all praying then for a mercy of the God. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. What is enthroned? Mercy. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. It is an attribute to God himself. And earthly power doth then show likest gods, and mercy seasons justice. So this is the poem fully I have read now, written by William Shakespeare. Now, going through the explanation. Okay, children, now coming to the explanation, quality of mercy. Quality of mercy, if you tell in Kannada, Dayave Dharmada Moolavaya. That is Basavana has told already. Because if you know anything, no, you should know it in your mother tongue also, mother language also. See, Daive Dharmada Moolavaya. Who told Basavana? Otherwise, quality of mercy is told as Dayada. No, that is Dayada Moolavaya, that is told by Basavana. And Dayada is that. So this one, Gunamatta. So that is Dayada Gunamatta. If you want to tell in Kannada, so this quality of mercy is known as Dayada Gunamatta also you can tell. Okay. Now, quality of mercy is for memorization and you have to learn. That is, you have to memorize the poem because how many lines are there? Only 14 lines are there. And if you line any 4 lines, they will ask you to write all the 4 lines perfectly, then you will get out of it 4 marks. Okay, now, even in a book also they are given about William Shakespeare. You can open the page 44 about William Shakespeare they are given. They are given about William Shakespeare. That is, he was born on April 23rd, 1564. He was regarded as the foremost dramatist of his time. He wrote more than 38 plays. This extract is taken from the play, that is Merchant of Venice. And these lines are spoken by Portia, one of the main characters in the play, meaning quality means what? A character. Mercy means what? A kindness or a forgiving attitude, forgiving character. Now, before going to the poem, you should know the story behind this drama. What is the plot of this drama? What it is telling? You should know that is the story. What is the story? Merchant of Venice story. Then only you will understand the importance of mercy and the importance of Portia's words. Now, coming to the story, Antonio, he was a rich merchant in Venice. How he helped his friend? He helped his friend for a loan. Why that loan? He wanted to marry Portia, so he wanted to please Portia. Who is Portia? That is a wealthy and beautiful lady. So to attract her, he wanted to show his richness. So for that only he wanted a loan. So what Antonio did? Antonio helped him to take a loan from Shylock, for which he would name as his guarantor. Unfortunately, Antonio, what happened to Antonio? He underwent a huge loss and he was unable to pay back the loan his friend took. So Shylock asked him to pay back all the money he gave, or else what he should give? He should give 1 pound of flesh. From where? From his heart. For this only, Portia felt very sorry and she went to Shylock. How she went? Disguised. We went in male dress, that is as a male lawyer, to advocate for Antonio. So that time only she explains mercy is very, very important for a person to excuse because for the sake of money, if he is cutting his heart, a pound of flesh, taking means what? So that's why she was feeling very sorry and begging whom? Shaila to leave Antonio. Now coming to the poem line by line. So here I told you already, quality means character, mercy means kindness or forgiving character. Now the quality of mercy cannot be, is not strained. Strain means what? Compelled. You cannot compel a person to have mercy or to show mercy, because you cannot force any person to bring mercy on somebody. It is showered like a gentle rain. How the mercy should come? The mercy should come like a gentle rain directly from heaven. From where it comes? From heavens or paradise to earth. We tell no, on seeing the sky, we tell heaven. So we are getting rain from where? From clouds. That is heaven. And it is like a gentle mean what? Then that is helping the living beings. That is a beautiful gift from heaven. That is given by God. So what happened? It is on earth. If that rain is not gentle, what would happen? It will be like a flood. If it is flood, what will happen? It will bring lot of total damage and a disaster to the living beings. So how is mercy? Mercy should be like a gentle rain. It is coming like a gentle rain from heaven to soothe all the beings. Now, next one is, it is where it is falling. It is falling upon the place beneath. It is falling on the ground. It is twice blessed. It is twice blessed means what? It is blessed twice. How is that? It blesses the giver and also it blesses the receiver also. How? That is, in nature, the cloud is blessed. When it is blessed, what it does? It will shower rain on the earth. On the earth, it is getting, that is, it is raining. What the earth does? The earth also gives, that is, trees and plants and everything. After taking that rain, what does it do? What does it do? It does giving trees and fruits to the human beings, that is living beings. If it is blessed, that means both the cloud, that is a giver, cloud is the giver here. Who is the receiver? The earth is the receiver. So like that, both are blessed. So why the cloud is blessed? Because it gives rain, it helps the human being, the living beings on the earth. And why the earth is blessed? Because it takes that, it receives the rain from cloud and it gives in the form of trees, plants to the living beings. So this way, giver and receiver both are blessed. The next one is, it is mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. So that's why what happened? The mercy becomes a very powerful. The next one is, the throned monarch better than his crown. The throned monarch means what here? The king. Now whom we see nowadays, who can you tell as a monarch? You can tell Queen Elizabeth of London. Then she the monarch. Living now at present we can see monarch. So what is that? It is, they have got the power to rule. Monarch have got that is the great kings, or monarch means a king of an emperor. They have got a great power for what? To rule. And the scepter shows the force of temporal power. And they will be carrying a rod-like structure, decorated rod-like structure. For what? If they carry, then it shows their royal power. And so the scepter is a symbol of what is the royalty, their majesty, and awe means here feelings of respect. So whenever we see a king like this with a decorated rod in his hand, what we crown on his head, what we feel? We feel like respecting. At the same time, we have fear also. Respect and a slight fear, they create a threat and fear in the hearts of their people by using their worldly power. So the kings know how they make the people respect or then make them here. Then by this decorator carrying this decorator rod and a crown. But mercy is above this. But if you cannot be afraid of a king. But mercy is more than this. It because it mightiest of a mightiest. And mercy enhances the beauty and the grace of the king more than his costliest crown. So what happened if the king has got mercy? King is valued more than his valuable crown. So then, so that mercy has got this much power than the king. The next one is the quality is the heart. So what they should have, the kings should have this quality in their heart. Then so that time what they will become? They will become like a god. Of course, the king has got all the power. If the king has got mercy in his heart, what he becomes like a god. So the king who has a feeling of mercy in his heart, he becomes one with his people. And he will have more respect and love towards his own subjects, that is people. And if he is possessing that, what is the divine quality, that is mercy. But it cannot be said if he have got only power, then he will have respect. If he has mercy only, he will have the power and the love from the subjects. The next one, wherein doth sit a dread fear of kings, but mercy is above the sceptred say, and it is enthroned in the heart of king. If a king has got this mercy in his heart, what is it? It is an attribute to God himself. So he becomes, that is a God himself. And earthly power doth then show like a God. So then earth also, that is when his subjects, the kingdom ruled by him will become what? Will become heaven. That is ruled by God when mercy seasons justice. When mercy, then what happened? It mixes with the, or shared with the justice. So the mercy and the justice should go together. That time what will happen? The king's kingdom will become a heaven where God rules. That's what. Now, this is having, this poem is having 14 lines, but it cannot be said a sonnet because a sonnet will have 14 lines. Though this poem contains 14 lines, it does not, it cannot be called as a sonnet. The reason is, the sonnet should contain rhyming words at the ending of the lines. Therefore, it is not a sonnet. What do you mean by rhyming? See here. Rhyming, I will tell you, the quality of mercy is not strained. Here, and strained. Droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven. Strained, heaven. See the last words, blessed, takes, becomes. So here, in this 5 lines, no word is rhyming. So that's why it cannot be called as a sonnet, even though it has got 14 lines. So that's all. Now, meaning. Now, meaning of the, yeah, this meanings will go strained, forced, compelled, droppeth, drops, blessed, blessed, scepter, a decorated rod carried by a king or a queen as a symbol of power, temporal, worldly power, attitude, viewpoint, majesty, royal power, death, dust, dread, threat, and enthroned, seated, attribute, quality or character, likest gods, like that of God, seasons, tempers, enables, makes something noble. Now, going through the summary, I'll tell you, the quality of mercy cannot be compelled by force. Very easy. Second point, it is given by God himself. And third, mercy drops down from heavens like a gentle rain. And next, it is twice blessed, or it blesses the person who gives and the person who resists it. The king becomes the mightiest of all when he uses his power with mercy, the greatest virtue of all. The worldly power of the king lies in his scepter, which brings respect and awe and instills fear in people's hearts. But the quality of mercy is more than this. He becomes closer to God when justice with mercy is given. Now going to the question answer. See children, first question is, Mercy is compared to something in the first two lines of the poem. That is speech. Whose speech? Portia's speech. What is this? How is this comparison apt? Apt means perfect. Justify your answer. Here, the quality of mercy is compared to gentle rain, which is showered from heaven like a drops. Just as rain cleans and cools the earth, mercy given by God also cleanses our hearts. Second question, the speaker says that mercy is twice blessed. What does she mean by this? This means that a person who bestows mercy is blessed by God as well as the person who receives. Scepter shows the force of temporal power. In contrast, what or whose quality does mercy stand for? Scepter of a monarch is a symbol of a worldly power. If mercy is seated in the heart of king, the king becomes like a god. Explain the simile in the first two lines. The quality of mercy is not strain. It droppeth as a gentle rain from heaven. Here, the comparison is direct and the word as is used. Hence, it is a simile. And here, the quality of mercy is compared to gentle rain, which is showered from heaven like drops. How do you interpret the speaker's interpretation of mercy as twice blessed? The merciful man is blessed by God. Similarly, the man who receives mercy blesses the person who is merciful towards him. So, it is twice blessed. Similarly, the cloud showers rain on the earth when it is blessed by God. The earth blesses its living beings with the vegetation. Here, the cloud is the giver and the earth is the receiver. So, it is twice blessed. The speaker compares the power of the king with the power of the mercy, saying that mercy is the mightiest of the mightiest. How does she justify this? Portia says that mercy is the greatest quality given by God. When this quality is combined with the king's temporal power, the king becomes like a god, because with mercy, he also gets a divine power. The mercy is the most powerful of all virtues and enhances the glory of a king more than his crown. Okay, children. Seventh, can you think of any story wherein such virtues as mercy, compassion, or sacrifice are highlighted? Androcles and the lion. You must have heard the story. Androcles and the lion story. This text has 14 lines, but it is not a sonnet. Justify this. Shakespeare's sonnets are written in the form of three quatrains. Three quatrains, that is a 4/4. 3 4s are 12. And a couplet. Couplet means 2. So 14 lines. But this poem, though it has 14 lines, it doesn't follow the form of three quatrains and a couplet. Hence, it is not a sonnet. One more thing, I already told you, the rhyming words are not there in this poem. Please add that also. Now, this